Have you ever stopped to think about how much of your day is wasted on repetitive tasks, answering emails, filling out spreadsheets? The current corporate world is a bureaucracy factory, but a silent and brutal shift has already begun. The era of the human click is coming to an end. Many people confuse artificial intelligence with chatbots. ChatGPT is passive. It waits for you to ask. What is emerging now are autonomous agents. They don't wait. They have goals. You set the target, and they execute the steps, correct errors, and deliver the final result without you lifting a finger. Imagine this. You command your AI. Create a profitable business. The agent researches trends, generates designs, builds the website, negotiates with suppliers, and starts ads. All this happens in minutes while you drink your coffee. Here at Neuromacro, we look at the numbers. What happens to the economy when the cost of starting a company drops to zero? Junior lawyers, assistants, accountants. These logic-based professions are on the front line of replacement. Efficiency will explode, but competition will be severe. This is not science fiction. Tools like AutoGPT and OpenAI's new agents are operating today. Money never sleeps, and now neither does the digital worker. So what is your role in this new world? You will stop being the laborer to become the architect. Value migrates from execution to strategy. Those who know how to orchestrate these agents will have the production power of 1,000 employees. The future doesn't ask for permission. Prepare yourself. Study the architecture of these systems. To understand how to profit from this revolution, subscribe to Neuromacro. We decode the future so you don't get left in the past.